Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about data entry clerk remote jobs. We're not talking about any jobs, rather we're diving into something that thousands of people search for every single day.
If you've been scrolling through job boards thinking data entry is your ticket to easy work from home money, you need to hear this first.
I'm going to reveal 11 shocking truths about remote data entry jobs that nobody talks about. But here's the twist. I'm also going to show you how to use those exact same skills to land jobs that pay 40 to 60% more. So hit that subscribe button, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to your next career move. Without any further ado, let's get started.
To begin with, first, let's talk about what a data entry clerk actually does.
You'll spend most of your day at a computer using specialized software, Excel, Google Sheets, and database systems.
Day involves entering customer data, updating records, verifying accuracy, and organizing digital files confidentially. You'll need intense focus, strict accuracy, and you'll be meeting daily productivity quotas with minimal supervision. Sounds simple, right? Now here's where things get interesting. To succeed in data entry, you need good typing speed and accuracy. Most positions require 40 to 60 words per minute. You need eagle-eye attention to detail to catch inconsistencies and spot errors before they enter the system. That's crucial because a single typo in medical billing or a misplaced decimal in financial data can create serious problems. Time management keeps you productive when you're juggling multiple projects and meeting deadlines. Here's what is fascinating about these skills. They're not just valuable for data entry work. Every single one translates directly into higher paying remote positions.
Your typing speed? Customer service reps use it constantly in email and live chat support. Your attention to detail? Critical for customer service roles handling billing and account management. Your time management? Essential for balancing multiple customer interactions. Most people just don't realize it yet.
The skills you're building for data entry are actually your foundation for careers paying 40 to 60% more.
Now, let's also talk about the reality of remote data entry work. Yes, there are advantages.
But there's also the uncomfortable truth nobody mentions. Truth number one, the scam landscape is brutal.
Finding legitimate data entry clerk remote jobs is like searching for a needle in a haystack because these roles are almost hard to come by, especially in remote settings. Companies requesting upfront fees for training, equipment, or certification are running scams. Any posting promising $50 to $100 per hour for basic data entry work is lying. When you come across job listings with vague descriptions and no company information, alarm bells should trigger.
As always, remember the golden rule. If an opportunity sounds too good to be true, it absolutely is. Truth number two, the repetitive nature creates mental fatigue faster than you'd expect. Truth number three, career advancement opportunities are severely limited. Truth number four, isolation hits harder than expected. Many data entry clerks report feeling disconnected. Truth number five, staying engaged long-term is difficult due to the lack of variety in job nature. Truth number six, the salary ranges are highly disappointing compared to roles with similar skills. Truth number seven, skill development essentially flatlines. You're not gaining communication abilities or strategic thinking. Truth number eight, there's a painful career ceiling. The question isn't if your data entry role faces automation risk, but when.
Truth number 9, automation and AI. Companies are using optical character recognition and machine learning to replace human data entry clerks. Number 10, there's a much better alternative that uses your exact same skills. Remote customer support positions.
Truth number 11, you may have guessed it. Yes, if you can handle data entry, you can absolutely succeed in customer support. The transition is more straightforward than you think. Your data entry skills transfer perfectly. Your typing speed serves you well in email and chat support. Your attention to detail helps you document customer issues accurately. Your time management allows you to handle multiple conversations efficiently. Your ability to follow procedures translates to support protocols. The additional skills you'll develop come naturally through training and daily practice. Most companies provide comprehensive onboarding programs. That being said, if you have the focus and discipline for data entry, you already possess the foundation for customer support success.
So you now know what's out there. But how do you actually find these jobs and get hired? Step 1, stop looking for remote jobs in wrong places. Generic job boards simply waste your time.
We may be biased, but signing up for our free Remote Job Central newsletter can be your best choice. And of course, you don't have to take our word for granted. Please see our reviews.
Step 2, recruiters actively search LinkedIn, so make yourself findable. Load your profile with relevant keywords. Step 3, your resume needs to communicate value quickly. Recruiters spend less than 6 seconds on initial screening. Step 4, thoughtful cover letters differentiate you from other candidates. Research the company, mention why their mission excites you. And here's a beautiful thing about remote work: geographic arbitrage, a real income multiplier. The absolute superpower to earn Silicon Valley salaries while living somewhere with much lower costs. All right, let's wrap this up.
The competition is global, but the opportunities are absolutely real. By developing the right skills and crafting targeted applications, you can build a rewarding career from anywhere.
Your dream remote role is an email away. What are you waiting for? Now it's time to take action and make it happen.
Sign up for our free Remote Jobs newsletter to get exclusive access to curated remote listings directly in your email inbox. Stay informed and explore resources like our Remote Jobs Central blog for the latest information about remote jobs.
What's your thoughts on this? Please share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for your time watching this so far. I'll see you on the other one. Take care.